The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. Your Subaru has a driver monitoring system, better known as DriverFocus. The driver is always responsible for safe and attentive driving, and DriverFocus supports the driver with a near-infrared camera that constantly monitors eye and head position. While you're driving, your DriverFocus status is continually updated in the combination meter display. If the system senses you're possibly not paying attention or becoming drowsy while driving, the system beeps and gives an alert. Keep in mind the system won't provide alerts when the turn signals are on or if the vehicle is in reverse. You can turn DriverFocus off. Press the car settings icon on the touchscreen. Others. Here you can turn the driver monitoring system on and off. DriverFocus also includes facial recognition technology, which provides added conveniences. It saves each driver's unique seat and mirror preferences and adjusts them automatically upon entry. You can register up to 5 unique driver profiles. To register a driver from the home screen, press Settings, select the Car tab, Driver Monitoring System, Register User, then select an Open User field. The system will ask you to adjust your seat and outside mirror positions. Take a moment to do so, and when you're finished, press Set. Face forward until you hear a beep, and the system displays User Registration Set. Clear the default name by pressing the X. Enter your name, press Next, and choose your preferred icon. DriverFocus will scan and recognize you each time you sit in the driver's seat as a registered driver. Your vehicle will welcome you in the multifunction display with a personal screen and greeting, while recalling your preferred seat and mirror positions. To delete a saved driver profile, click Delete Driver Position. You can delete an individual user or choose to delete all users from the register.